One eternity later.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So after a year, Charis. I'm back. Naglulumot na ang ating YouTube. So, mag-record kunwari vlogger ulit. So, for today's video, I'm with a friend, colleague. So guys, what is this then?
Mohinka.
What?
Mo.
Okay. Mohe
Ka.
ka. Mohika.
Yes.
Mahika.
Enjoy.
Boy.
Ash Mekala. Right?
What's that?
Enjoy in Dutch.
Itaday.
I don't know.
Itaday ko. Mayat.
It's Maglet. It's Maglet.
In Dutch.
Yeah.
It's mackerel.
Yeah.
That's it. Nice, huh? Yeah. I'm Malay.
Oh my God. I'm a lady.
I'm Malay. It's delicious.
Found it.
I'm Malay. I'm from Philippines. Kasi ang sarap talaga na ito guys. Tapos to, medyo maanghang. Pero perfect. Kaya pa naman. So hi guys. So it's madilim na already. Sinubukan ko yung Myanmar food. And it's really good. So, I've tried their maheko. Is that maheko?
Mohinka.
Mohenka. Yeah. So it's the same. Kasla palabok nga nadigwan kon hipon nga naisaw-saw tinagasang aramang. Lunes man na nabigat. As you know, 5 minutes lang talaga ti Sunday. So this is the end of this video again. This is it, Pansit. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell. Charis. Okay, goodbye. Bye.